Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel Finance Made Easy. Today we are going to have a look at how you could make money by starting a blog. Enjoy the video and don't forget to leave a like and tell us your opinion on the topic in the comments section. Blogging has become a popular way to share information and ideas on a variety of topics. However, it's not just a hobby anymore. Many people are making a living from their blogs. In this video, we'll explore how to make money by writing a blog. Part 1. Choose a niche. The first step in making money with a blog is to choose a niche. A niche is a specific topic or theme that you will write about consistently. Choosing a niche is important because it helps you to create a clear brand identity and attract a specific target audience. It's best to choose a niche that you're passionate about and have some level of expertise in. This will make it easier to create quality content and establish yourself as an authority in that niche. When choosing a niche, you should also consider the demand for that topic. It's important to choose a topic that has a large enough audience that you can monetize it effectively. Some popular niches include health and wellness, personal finance, beauty, travel, and food. Once you have chosen a niche, it's important to stick to it and become an authority in that area. You can do this by creating quality content that is informative and engaging, using relevant keywords and SEO techniques, and promoting your content on social media and other platforms. Part 2. Build a following. The second step in making money with a blog is to build a following. Building a following takes time and effort, but it's essential for monetizing your blog. Here are some tips for building a following. 1. Create quality content. Creating quality content is the key to building a loyal following. Your content should be informative, engaging, and relevant to your niche. Make sure to use relevant keywords and SEO techniques to optimize your content for search engines. 2. Promote your content. Promoting your content on social media and other platforms can help you to reach a wider audience. Make sure to share your content on all your social media platforms and encourage your followers to share your content as well. 3. Engage with your audience. Engaging with your audience is important for building a relationship with them. Respond to comments and messages, ask for feedback, and create a community around your blog. 4. Guest post on other blogs. Guest posting on other blogs can help you to reach a wider audience and build backlinks to your blog. Make sure to guest post on blogs that are relevant to your niche and have a similar target audience. 5. Collaborate with other bloggers. Collaborating with other bloggers can help you to build a stronger network and reach a wider audience. You can collaborate on blog posts, social media campaigns, and other projects. Part 3. Monetize your blog. Once you have a niche and a following, you can start monetizing your blog. Here are some ways to make money with a blog. Advertising. One of the easiest ways to make money with a blog is through advertising. You can sell ad space on your blog to businesses or sign up for an advertising network like Google AdSense. Keep in mind that you'll need a significant amount of traffic to make a substantial income from advertising. Affiliate marketing. Another way to make money with a blog is through affiliate marketing. This is where you promote other people's products and earn a commission on any sales made through your unique affiliate link. You can find affiliate programs for almost any niche and product. Sponsored posts. Sponsored posts are another way to make money with a blog. This is where a business pays you to write a post promoting its product or service. Keep in mind that sponsored posts have to be transparent. Digital products. Creating and selling digital products is another way to make money with a blog. You can create ebooks, courses, printables, and other digital products that are relevant to your niche. Make sure to promote your products on your blog and social media platforms. Services. Offering services related to your niche is another way to make money with a blog. For example, if you have a blog about web design, you could offer web design services to your audience. Make sure to promote your services on your blog and social media platforms. Membership sites. Creating a membership site is another way to make money with a blog. You can offer exclusive content, courses, and other resources to your members for a monthly fee. This can be a great way to generate recurring income from your blog. Events. Hosting events related to your niche is another way to make money with a blog. You can host webinars, workshops, or other events and charge a fee for attendance. Make sure to promote your events on your blog and social media platforms. Part 4. Tips for success. Making money with a blog takes time and effort, but it is possible. Here are some tips for success. Be consistent. Consistency is key when it comes to blogging. Make sure to publish quality content regularly and engage with your audience consistently. Focus on your audience. Your audience should be the focus of your blog. Make sure to create content that is relevant and valuable to them and engage with them regularly. Stay current. Stay up to date with the latest trends and news related to your niche. This will help you to create relevant and timely content that your audience will appreciate. Network. Building relationships with other bloggers and businesses in your niche can help you to grow your blog and reach a wider audience. Invest in your blog. Investing in your blog can help you to improve the quality of your content and grow your audience. Consider investing in professional website design, SEO services, or other tools and services that can help you to grow your blog. Be patient. Making money with a blog takes time and effort. Don't expect to make a substantial income overnight. Be patient and continue to create quality content. And engage with your audience consistently. Part 5. Examples of successful bloggers. To give you some inspiration, here are some examples of successful bloggers who have been able to monetize their blogs. Pat Flynn. Pat Flynn is the founder of Smart Passive Income, a blog and podcast that helps people build successful online business. Pat generates income from affiliate marketing, digital products, and sponsored content. Michelle Schroeder Gardner. Michelle is the founder of Making Sense of Sense, a personal finance blog that helps people manage their money and achieve financial freedom. Michelle generates income from affiliate marketing, sponsored content, and digital products. John Lee Dumas. John is the founder of Entrepreneurs on Fire, a podcast and blog that helps entrepreneurs build successful businesses. John generates income from podcast sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and digital products. Lindsay Ostrom. Lindsay is the founder of Pinch of Yum, a food blog that features delicious and healthy recipes. Lindsay generates income from sponsored content, affiliate marketing, and her own cookbook. Melissa Griffin. Melissa is the founder of Melissa Griffin, a blog and website that helps entrepreneurs build successful business. Melissa generates income from digital products, sponsored content, and online courses. These bloggers have been able to build successful businesses around their blogs by creating quality content, building a following, and monetizing their blogs in various ways. By studying their strategies and implementing them into your blog, you can increase your chances of success. Conclusion. In conclusion, making money with a blog is possible, but it takes time and effort. By choosing a niche, creating quality content, building a following, and monetizing your blog in various ways, you can turn your blog into a profitable business. It's important to be patient and consistent and to stay focused on your audience and their needs. By following the tips and examples outlined in this article, you can increase your chances of success and build a thriving blog business. Thanks for watching the video. When you made it this far, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell. See you next time.